What's going on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you how to set up a brand new garden hose to prevent it from kinking and how to maintain that garden hose so it stays as kink-free as possible. If there are two things in this world that are impossible to find, it's unicorns and a garden hose that is well reviewed that doesn't have countless complaints. There are tons of garden hoses out there marketed as kink-free with many negative reviews saying how badly they kink. Now look, if you're buying a rubber garden hose, it is naturally prone to kinking. Even if it's marketed as kink-free, there are ways that you can kink the hose. So let's just be a little realistic about it. When you buy your garden hose, I recommend actually going to a store and buying one and not buying it online, because if you look through a big pile of garden hoses, some just have kinks in them just from the natural packaging and shipment process. So go through them, look around, and try to find ones that have as few kinks in it as possible, and then buy that hose. Then when you bring it home, the first thing you want to do is fully unravel that garden hose and have it sit out during the hottest, sunniest part of the day, and let it sit there and bake in the sun, because the natural heat of the sun is actually going to soften up this rubber, and it's going to make it a lot more pliable. And while you are actually unraveling the hose, do your best to naturally try and pull out any of the natural kinks and bends that are in the hose. At the end of the process, your hose should be as flat as possible. It shouldn't want to pull in any specific direction. If you simply unravel that hose and lay it out so you get all of those natural twists and bends out of it that is just the result of the manufacturing process, then you let it bake out during a hot sunny day, that is going to soften up that hose and help it maintain a perfectly straight shape. Then, once it's sat out all afternoon to soften up, store your garden hoses in very wide circles out of direct sunlight, such as in a shady corner of your house or underneath a tree. Too many people store their garden hoses bunched up in tight circles and in direct sunlight. And what happens is they expand during the heat of the day in direct sunlight, and then they contract back down when the sun sets and when it gets cooler at night. And all that expansion and contraction eventually develops bends and deformities in the hose that will turn into kinking. By storing your garden hoses in very wide coils and keeping them out of direct sunlight, they won't face that rapid expansion and contraction, and they will have less deformities and stay kink-free longer. By keeping them and maintaining them like this, my garden hoses pretty much always stay kink-free, and they also last a much longer time because the UV rays of the sun really quickly degrade your garden hoses, which will eventually lead to sidewall blowouts. With proper unpackaging and storage, your garden hoses will have maximum lifespan with minimal problems. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip.
If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.